Hello people of the internet and welcome to the channel. Thank you for checking out the fourth and final video in my homemade trim series. In the previous videos I cut down a big red oak tree behind my house, milled the logs into lumber, built a kiln in my garage to dry the lumber, planed the lumber down, cut it to size, sanded, stained and varnished it, and now it's finally time to install it and see the finished product. First off, let me just say I am not an expert at this, so feel free to chime in the comments and give me some advice. The style I'm going for is more of a modern install, but with a traditional stain and lacquer finish. The bottom window is going to be what's called a stool and apron style, where the stool is the bottom piece inside the window and the apron is on the wall below it. I'm not really sure what the best way to do this is, but I put a set of screws in the jamb every 16 inches or so and used a level to make sure the extension jambs and stool would be level and plumb. Here you can see the screws. You can also subscribe if you enjoy this video. I'm trying to get to 20,000 subscribers and I'm so close. Thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. Next, I prep the piece that's going to be the stool. After my cuts are laid out, I used my cordless circular saw to cut most of the way, and then I used a pole saw to finish the cut and a sharp chisel to clean everything up. I used the router to cut a couple little grooves where the vinyl on the window sticks out a little further. Then it's time to start installing. Because my trim is homemade, it probably has a little more bow and twist than anything you would buy from the store. But because the trim is planed down relatively thin, I'm able to coax it in position with just a little bit of effort. For fasteners, I'm just using 18 gauge brad nails and I'm putting a couple near each set of those screws that I put in the jamb. As I work my way around the window doing the extension jamb, I'm wondering if it's common to pre-assemble the extension jamb and screw the pieces together. Would this have been a better way to do it? Let me know in the comments. The side pieces of trim have both the jack and king stud under them, so I'm able to use long brad nails to hold them tight to the wall. I also went around and added shorter nails through the inside edge of the front trim pieces that went into the edge of the extension jamb. The top piece of trim and the apron were a little more tricky to install because I needed to find where the studs are. It took a little bit, but I think I got it sorted out. Well, here it is, the final product. From a tree behind my house to finished trim installed inside my house. This actually was a tremendous amount of work, especially because I am doing the entire house this way. I'm actually not even done yet. And my wife doesn't really appreciate it that it's not done yet. Anyway, thanks for watching. Any tools I used in the video or tools I used to make the trim are linked below, and I'll also drop links to the previous videos of this project. If anything I did in this video is grinding your gears or you don't think it was too bad, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.